What's up, bro? Okay, guys, so I made some new stuff, but I'm working on one right now, but I ain't showing you right now because, guys, let me turn this way. So, like, snacks, buttons. Those are snacks, look at these. And then you put it in. Then you take one, so that's in that penny bag. I got it. Then it says 1 penny's in a bee kind. I don't know. Only one door please. Coins, and this is how it works. You just put it in there. Boom. And then let me go like that. Grab it. And then put it back in this little jar if you don't have any coins or anything. And this is what it looks like inside. This is where I hold the coins, just stuff. So it looks like in here. But I'm gonna put it all right here. Okay, guys. This is what it looks like. I made it. And no coin jar. Snack vending machine. So this is like toys and stuff and candy. And then you might need stuff. But then you have to pay pennies obviously. But it was all first. I made this one. I didn't have. It says. Here, let me show y'all what it says. So this one says. What does it say? Forks, knives, and spoons. 1 penny for any of these. And then, if you forget one, please take if needed. So that's what it looks like. And then inside, I used this little microphone thing, and that's where the coins are stored. So let me show you. Oh, I have it right here. I keep forgetting. So let me show you guys how it works. Oh, it's fun. This little hole, okay? This little hole. Put it in. It's gonna drop it in. Then at the end of the day, I'm gonna reach into here and grab it. Okay. So this is for utensils. If you forget one and you need to go back downstairs, no. But let's go get some. I'm just walking down the stairs. It's being weird. Okay, let's go. So I'll put y'all right here. Bring these. We just got them, and there's like a lot. If you want to see, and they're plastic, but it's fine. I'm trying to open it. So I'm gonna take. So I took 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. I took 5 forks. Now I'm taking 5 spoons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So half and half. Just letting y'all know. Just letting y'all know. I just got these. Now time for the knives. These are plastic ones. Actually, I could get one for plastic, but so let me count these real quick. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These bad boys. So they're all in there. find it. Let's try it again. Let's try it again. Yeah. Let's go back upstairs and put this where my other vending machines are. Oh my god, so cute. Here, I might want to do this one, I think. I feel like I want this one. I'm doing the pumpkin one. I'm taking this pumpkin thing, and that will be my new thing for this. Look, this looks so cute, bro. So here's me one second. Let me show you all what it looks like right now. Lady. I have just stacking so get there, then another round way, and then you put it in the middle. So you put it like this. And then I put it in there. Oh no! I don't think I made it, you guys. I don't think it. Or maybe. I'm putting it in this one. Because I just like to put it. Okay. Now I'm going to have some coins in there. Okay, wait. What is this? Sherry lady going up. So that's what I wanted to show you guys because I was like really bored. So I'm still really bored, but it's fine. It's really fine. But by the way, I made this squishy. I'm so pumped. Here I found a kitty. That is very beautiful. Hi, beautiful kitty. It's an old kitty though. Yo, this is a hot glue gun that I really like absolute burnt my the out of me, like good the hell out of me. But banana too. There's not really anything in there, but hot glue gun. It has to have like a little battery on the bottom. Don't know why. So guys, that's really all. But bye guys. Have a great day and happy Thanksgiving. Bye. Yeah.